Hello, this is Dr. Young, and I'm going to go over your Unit 4 work. Excuse me. This is the last unit, so this course has gone by very quickly. And so all we have to do is we're going to talk about what we've learned so far and kind of review that, and then we're going to go into coaching, and then we're going to kind of, differentiate between the appraisal and the overall performance management system. And then we're going to talk about the components of an appraisal form specifically. So, for your discussion question, you can choose again, of course. You're going to look at the coaching styles that we have discussed this week in your text and in the lecture, and then talk about their correlation to employee performance and the expected outcomes. You can do that one, or you can analyze an article from the Harvard Business Review that explains how to coach underperforming employees. So if you're not familiar with the Harvard Business Review, let's go there. It contains many great articles, of which I use in class regularly because it's a great resource. Oops, I shouldn't have went there. I think, that was right on it. Just go to search. You can do a search, and there's going to be ads on this though because you're not a subscriber. You get free articles, and then you have to subscribe. So there's just do a search on the site. You'll find several articles on the coaching. So just spend some time reading those. Oh, there it goes. I hate when I do that. Spend some time, reading those, and just come up with one that kind of tells you offers some strategies, suggestions, methods to help underperforming employees. And there's going to be more than one, so just take some time and decide which one would work best for you, and make sure to cite that source, of course. So that's up to you. I mean, what I would prefer if it's not the same one, but if it is, I'm not gonna. Usually, I'll end up with enough. Generally in class, students taking one or the other, so it's rare that I have someone doing the same one, like the whole class doing the same question. So, and then you have a final exam. So as you can see here, there is no written assignment for Unit 4, but a final exam. So make sure that you complete that by this deadline, because it will close and then you will not be able to finish. As you well know, the exams are taken from test banks. They're random. They're randomized. They're never the same. And then this is a reflection discussion and a survey. You can take the survey. All right, the preview. It's your basic agree, disagree survey. So please be honest. If you have any issues, concerns, let me know. If there's anything I could have done better, let me know. And this is not something I will see. I just mean you can tell me, I do accept constructive criticism. I want to better my classes. That is a goal of mine, is to add something. If a student feels like there's something lacking, I don't want to continue to have that in my, issue ongoing in my class. I want to address it. So if you have any issues, questions, let me know. I hope you found me accessible and responsive to your needs this term, and I wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Just make sure that you have everything submitted by the last day of class, which for this class would be Tuesday. And I hope to see you in another class. I teach various, they're starting to have me teach more courses in the program. So I hope to see you again, and have a great summer. And keep my email if there's anything I can do to help you. And anything, if you have any questions or anything I can assist you on, I'd like to hear from my students, even after they're out of my classes. Thanks for a great term.